Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 2020 Jeep Compass Trailhawk Edition. So I believe we put new tires on it. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona, so no rust issues. Inside of the door is nice and clean. Leather seats, remote start. 66,519 is the mileage. Floor mats, 2 keys. We try to give you 2 keys as much as we can. A few little scratch. I think some of that'll buff off. That's scratch. And then they must have laid stuff on top of the bumper here. Got some scratches there. Otherwise pretty clean, like no major dents or anything. A few little scratches there in the back bumper is about it. So and it also comes with our 7-year 112,000 mile drivetrain. So the 5-year 60's over on Jeep, but we extended out 7-year 112, and that's 7 years from when it went into production. So you got about 2 years of drivetrain coverage on it. 605-692-7010.